你好，同学们。Today we will learn lesson 2. 你叫什么？你叫什么？ That means what's your name? Okay, let's learn the key sentence. Let's learn the key sentence first. So follow with me. 你叫什么？你叫什么？ That means what's your name? So you can ask someone in Chinese as well, right? 你叫 by saying this sentence, 你叫什么？你叫什么？ Second sentence is 你认识他吗？ Follow with me. 你认识他吗？你认识他吗？ Okay, look at this character. This character denotes a female line. She. 同学们, in the class I already mentioned that the pronunciation for he, she and it, they are same, right? So only the difference is their Chinese character. So here ta means she, right? So follow with me. 你认识她吗? Do you know her? Once again, 你叫什么？你叫什么？你认识她吗？你认识她吗？ Okay, now let's learn new words related to our text. 我 first is 我 follow with me. 我 that means I or me. म भन्छ नि नेपालीमा. We have example here. 我叫星星. 我叫星星. I am called 星星 or my name is 星星. Second word 叫 that means to be called. 叫我叫月月. 叫我叫月月 that means I am called 月月. I am called 月月. Third word is 什么 follow with me. 什么 that means what. 你叫什么？你叫什么？ Fourth word is 认识 follow with me. 认识 that means to know. कसैलाई चिन्नु है, for a person especially. So 认识你 to know you. 认识你 to know you. Another word is 很 that means very. 很好 that means very good. Okay, another word, look at here. 高兴 follow with me. 高兴 that means glad or happy. 很高兴 that means very glad or happy. Okay, another word is 他 so this character represents she, right? She or her. Okay, so we have example here. 认识他 means to know. 她 means she, to know her. Another word is 吗 a question particle. So in order to make a question, we add 吗 at the last, right? In order to make a question, we add 吗 at the last. For example, 你认识她吗？你认识她吗？ Do you know her?还有你好吗？ That means are you good? How are you, right? Okay, another last word is 不 pu, that means no or not. So we have example here, 不认识, 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 that means don't know, don't know. Okay, now let's continue to another page. So we can see two pictures. Let's read the first one. Okay, let's read one. 你好, follow with me, eh? 你好, 我叫星星, 我叫星星, 你叫什么? 你叫什么? So an alien is saying, hello, I am called Sing Sing, or my name is Sing Sing. So he is asking, what's your name? And she is saying, 我叫月月, 我叫月月. That means my name is 月月. And the alien is saying, 认识你很高兴. 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 认识 means to know you. 认识你 to know you. 很 very. 高兴 means happy or glad. That means happy to meet you, happy to know you. भनेको है, भेटेर खुसी लाग्यो, चिनेर खुसी लाग्यो भन्छ नि नेपालीमा. So त्यही हो है, 认识你很高兴. Follow with me. 认识你很高兴. Okay, once more. 你好，我叫星星，你叫什么？我叫月月。认识你很高兴。懂了吗？बुझ्नुभयो? Understood this first picture? Okay, now let's move to another picture. Okay, let's read number 1. 你认识他吗? So 他 here represents she, right? 你认识他吗? Do you know her? And she is saying 不认识，不认识。不 means no, 认识 means to know, right? That means she doesn't know, don't know, she doesn't know. So once again, 你认识他吗? 你认识他吗? 不认识，不认识。Okay, now let's do some exercises. So let's match 1, 2, 3 with A, B or C, right? Okay, 你好. So if someone says 你好, we have to reply with 你好. Okay, now A will match with B. Let's read number 2. 你叫什么? 你叫什么? That means it is asking a name, right? So it should be first read 不认识, so it's not. 你好 is already done, so it should be 我叫月月, I am called 月月. So 2 will match with C. 你叫什么? 我叫月月. Number 3. 你认识他吗? 你认识他吗? So 他 ma at the last ma, so it means it is a question, right? 你认识他吗? Do you know her? So 不认识, 不认识, no, I don't know. So look at the picture. 你认识他吗? So it should be 不认识. 你认识他吗? 不认识. Once more. So 1 will match with B, 2 will match with C, 3 will match with A. Understood? So let's continue, right? Let's play. So first is given Chinese surname. So that means Chinese हरुको चाहिँ पछाडी नेम हुन्छ नि surname थरहरु. So for example, they have given Li, Wang, Zhang, Liu. सो नेपालीमा पनि हाम्रो आफ्नै छुट्टै सरनेम हुन्छ नि, जस्तै पौडेल भयो, कोइराला, राई, मगर, लिम्बू है, गुरुङ. So second is boys given names, boys given name. So these are the first name: Chiang, Wei, Long, Yong, Feng, Hai. So तपाईहरुलाई पनि मैले I have given some nickname नि त है. So for example, Xiao Wei, Xiao Long, Xiao Hai, Xiao Feng है. I have given names. So you can check your copy है. Third is girls given name. So for example, Mei, Chuan, Yue, Fang, Jing, Wen. Okay, let's continue reading. Okay, let's read one. 你好，我叫李芳，你叫什么？ Follow with me. 你好，我叫李芳，你叫什么？ Okay, that means hello. My name is Li Fang, and Li Fang is asking, what is your name? So let's read number 2. 你好，我叫张伟强，我叫张伟强。 So Zhang here represents Chinese surname, Chinese को थर, and his name is Wei Qiang. 认识你很高兴，认识你很高兴。 So he is saying, hello, my name is Zhang Wei Xiang. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. So this one is listening part. So for this, I will add the materials in the description. You can check it out and download, right? And listen and try yourself, right? And we can, if you can't, we can discuss in the class, right? Okay, now reading true or false. Let's identify the given picture is true or false. So look at here, tha. So that means this is a female character. So the picture is also a female. So that means true. Tueda. So this picture is true. So let's see number 5. Han hao. A boy is showing a thumbs up. That means how. Han hao. That means very good. So it is also true. It is also true. So let's see the number 6. Next, the picture number 6. Kao sing means glad or happy. So look at the picture. So is he happy? 他是高兴吗？不是。So he is sad, right? He is sad. So that means 错. That means false. Okay, let's revise. 4, it is true. 5, it is also true. 6, it is false. Okay, now that's all for today for lesson 2. We will continue our lesson 3 in coming days. Okay, 同学们，谢谢，再见。